discovered penicillin? Option is A. Alexander Fleming, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Marie Curie, D. Jonas Salk. Answer is option A. Alexander Fleming. Did you know Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin accidentally in 1928 when he noticed that mold growing on a petri dish had killed bacteria around it, leading to the first antibiotic?
Which scientist formulated the laws of motion? Option is A. Albert Einstein, B. Galileo Galilei, C. Isaac Newton, D. Johannes Kepler. Answer is option C. Isaac Newton.
Who discovered the theory of relativity? Option is A. Stephen Hawking, B. Albert Einstein, C. Max Planck, D. Niels Bohr. Answer is option B. Albert Einstein.
Who discovered the electron? Option is A. Ernest Rutherford, B. J. Thomson, C. James Clerk Maxwell, D. Werner Heisenberg. Answer is option B. J. Thomson. Did you know J. Thomson discovered the electron in 1897 through his experiments with cathode rays, fundamentally changing our understanding of atomic structure?
Who discovered X-rays? Option is A. Wilhelm Röntgen, B. Marie Curie, C. Henry Becquerel, D. Michael Faraday. Answer is option A. Wilhelm Röntgen. Did you know Wilhelm Röntgen discovered X-rays in 1895 while experimenting with cathode rays, leading to their use in medical imaging?
Who discovered the law of gravity? Option is A. Johannes Kepler, B. Albert Einstein, C. Isaac Newton, D. Galileo Galilei. Answer is option C. Isaac Newton.
Who discovered the structure of DNA? Option is A. James Watson and Francis Crick, B. Rosalind Franklin, C. Gregor Mendel, D. Linus Pauling. Answer is option A. James Watson and Francis Crick.
Who discovered the first exoplanet? Option is A. Michel Mayor and Didier Quelz, B. Carl Sagan, C. Edwin Hubble, D. Isaac Newton. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
Who discovered the laws of thermodynamics? Option is A. James Clerk Maxwell, B. Lord Kelvin, C. William Thomson, D. Rudolf Clausius. Answer is option B. Lord Kelvin.
Who discovered radioactivity? Option is A. Marie Curie, B. Ernest Rutherford, C. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, D. Henry Becquerel. Answer is option D. Henry Becquerel. Did you know Henry Becquerel accidentally discovered radioactivity in 1896 while studying phosphorescent materials, leading to groundbreaking research in nuclear physics?
Who discovered the neutron? Option is A. James Chadwick, B. Ernest Rutherford, C. Niels Bohr, D. Enrico Fermi. Answer is option A, James Chadwick.
Who discovered the first antibiotic? Option is A. Louis Pasteur, B. Alexander Fleming, C. Paul Ehrlich, D. Joseph Lister. Answer is option B. Alexander Fleming.
Who discovered the first vaccine? Option is A. Louis Pasteur, B. Edward Jenner, C. Jonas Salk, D. Alexander Fleming. Answer is option B, Edward Jenner.
Who discovered the electron microscope? Option is A. Robert Hooke, B. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, C. Ernst Rusker, D. Albert Claude. Answer is option C. Ernst Rusker.
Who discovered the first planet beyond Neptune? Option is A. Clyde Tombaugh, B. Percival Lowell, C. Gerard Kuiper, D. William Herschel. Answer is option A, Clyde Tombaugh.
Who discovered the theory of evolution? Option is A. Gregor Mendel, B. Alfred Russel Wallace, C. Charles Darwin, D. Thomas Huxley. Answer is option C. Charles Darwin.
Who discovered the laws of planetary motion? Option is A. Johannes Kepler, B. Nicolaus Copernicus, C. Galileo Galilei, D. Tycho Brahe. Answer is option A, Johannes Kepler.
Who discovered the concept of black holes? Option is A. Carl Schwarzschild, B. Albert Einstein, C. Stephen Hawking, D. John Mitchell. Answer is option D. John Mitchell.
Who discovered the double helix structure of DNA? Option is A. James Watson and Francis Crick, B. Rosalind Franklin, C. Linus Pauling, D. Gregor Mendel. Answer is option A, James Watson and Francis Crick.
Who discovered the first human ancestor fossil? Option is A. Mary Leakey, B. Richard Leakey, C. Louis Leakey, D. Donald Johanson. Answer is option D. Donald Johanson.
Who discovered the first law of thermodynamics? Option is A. Rudolf Clausius, B. Robert Boyle, C. James Prescott Joule, D. Lord Kelvin. Answer is option C, James Prescott Joule.
Who discovered the principle of vaccination? Option is A. Louis Pasteur, B. Joseph Lister, C. Edward Jenner, D. Robert Koch. Answer is option C. Edward Jenner.
Who discovered the concept of atomic structure? Option is A. Niels Bohr, B. J. Thomson, C. Ernest Rutherford, D. Dmitry Mendeleev. Answer is option C, Ernest Rutherford.
Who discovered the greenhouse effect? Option is A. Svante Arrhenius, B. Joseph Fourier, C. John Tyndall, D. Alexander von Humboldt. Answer is option B. Joseph Fourier.
Who discovered the theory of plate tectonics? Option is A. Harry Hess, B. Charles Darwin, C. Alfred Wegener. D. James Hutton. Answer is option C. Alfred Wegener.